In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change sensitivity in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily modify your camera sensitivity. So this is going to apply not only for Blox Fruits, but any other experience that you join on Roblox. All that you have to do is open the pause menu and go over to these settings. This should work for any platform, so I'm doing this process on PC, but it should also work for consoles and mobile. And immediately upon going to these settings, one of the options is going to be camera sensitivity. So you have plenty of preset numbers here that you can modify it to, and you can also input a custom one by using this text box field over here. And as long as you set it up with any value available here, you go back inside of the game, the camera sensitivity will be adjusted accordingly. So right now I have it at a minimal value, so I need to move my mouse a lot to even make a 180 or a 360 with my camera. And if I make this value higher, if I set it to 4, as you can see, even small movements of my mouse will completely turn my camera. So basically, you just have it set according to personal preference. If you would like to be extra precise, set it to a small value so you can carefully move your mouse around. And of course, this is going to be nice if you have a lot of mouse space. So if you have a big mouse pad or a desk mat. And if you want to be hectic with your movements, you want to look around a lot, or if your mouse pad is very tiny, it might be worthwhile to set it to a high value. This way, small adjustments will allow you to look everywhere. And there are other recommendations that you will find from greater players. So look around, see what other people use, and you will be able to change the sensitivity at any time. Like I said, this is going to adjust the sensitivity not only for Blox Fruits, but any other experience that you join on Roblox. So all that you have to do is change it on the settings, and you will be good to go. If your mouse has something like a DPI slider, you can also adjust it there instead. In this video, I'm only going to be showcasing the option to change it inside of the game itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to change sensitivity in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.